cheer if you do. Awesome! Well, they form through decades and centuries. That's a long time. The snow on the bottom gets squished down by the weight of the new falling snow. This pushes all the snow together and it becomes ice, forming a glacier. So the next time that you see a pile of snow, try jumping on the snow to see how a glacier forms. If it doesn't snow around you, get a cup of shaved ice and press it down with a spoon or your finger. Now onto our worksheet. Let's do this together. First, let's write our names. Did I mention how great you are at writing your name? I'm so proud of you. Now let's read the directions. Orange E, what do you see? I see a purple eel looking at me. Let's read it again. Orange E, what do you see? I see a purple eel looking at me. What color do you think we're going to color the E? It says orange E, what do you see? That's right! We're going to color the E orange. Let's grab the crayon. Great job! The E looks very orange. Now, what do we color the eel? Let's read the directions. I see a purple eel looking at me. What color do we color the eel? That's right. Purple eel. Let's grab our purple crayon. Great job! I'm going to color the eel's fins yellow. I'm going to color the lightning bolt eel too. What color are you going to color? That's also a great color. job, everybody! Now, my favorite. Let's color the background. You could color anything your imagination tells you to do. For me, I'm going to color some blue stripes first. Now I'm going to color some lines going the opposite direction. What are you doing? Oh, that sounds great. Now that I'm done with my lines, I'm going to color the whole background a lighter shade of blue. This way the lines on top sticks out. I like what you're doing to your background. How do you like my background? I love what you did to yours. Hey, now that we're done, I just wanted to tell you how amazing your worksheet looks. I love what you did to your background. I can't wait to see you dinos next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!